Viscount Frankfort de Montmorency of Galmoya in the county of Kilkenny was a title in the Peerage of Ireland. It was created on 22 January 1816 for Lodge de Montmorency, 1st Baron Frankfort, who had earlier represented Bandon Bridge, Dingle, Innistiage, and Ennis in the Irish House of Commons. He had already been made Baron Frankfort of Galmoya in the county of Kilkenny on 31 July 1800, also in the Peerage of Ireland. Born Lodge Evans Morres, he assumed in 1815 by royal license the surname of de Montmorency in lieu of Morres. However, the French House of de Montmorency never recognized his claim to be a member of that house. His grandson, the third Viscount, was a Major General in the British Army and sat in the House of Lords as an Irish representative peer between 1900 and 1902. The latter's eldest son, the Honourable Reymond de Montmorency, was awarded the Victoria Cross for his actions at the Battle of Omdurman in 1898. He was killed in action in the Second Boer War 2 years later, predeceasing his father by 2 years. The third Viscount was succeeded by his second and only surviving son, the fourth Viscount. He was also a soldier. He died childless in 1917, when the titles became extinct. Redmond Morres, also known as Reymond Morres, father of the first Viscount, was a member of the Irish Parliament for Thomastown, Newtownards, and Dublin. Hervey Morres, great-grandfather of the first Viscount, represented Knocktopher in the Irish House of Commons. The latter was a younger son of Sir Redmond Morres, 2nd Baronet, of Knockagh, see de Montmorency Baronets. William Morres, uncle of the first Viscount, was created a baronet in 1758, see de Montmorency Baronets. Hervey Morres, uncle of the first Viscount, was created Viscount Mountmorres in 1763, see this title for more information. Viscounts Frankfort de Montmorency, 1816. Lodge Evans de Montmorency, 1st Viscount Frankfort, 1747-1822. Lodge Reymond de Montmorency, 2nd Viscount Frankfort, 1806-1889. Reymond Harvey de Montmorency, 3rd Viscount Frankfort, 1835-1902. Hon. Reymond Harvey Lodge Joseph de Montmorency, 1867-1900. Willoughby John Horace de Montmorency, 4th Viscount Frankfort, 1868-1917. See also: De Montmorency Baronets. Viscount Mountmorres. References